Come here, I need to show you something. The number one reason why a lot of people are waking up to the truth of flat Earth is the Nikon Coolpix P1000.
Now, you know all flat earthers use Nikon P900. Why do you think that is?
Oh crap, what the? Well, I don't know what the heck happened there, but I barely touched this thing.
The number one proof, besides people who believe in the Bible, for flat Earth is the fact that you can see way too far.
This observation proves the Earth is flat. It's a beautiful event.
You would think it's on the other side of the water, right? Because, you know, the Earth curves because we live on a ball.
Millions of innocent people have been scammed by one major corporation.
That's how we know. It's definitely just a conspiracy.
Where do I start?